you're looking for a beautiful gift to give yourself and even to give your friend, one of the gifts and expensive, which is even priceless, that you can give yourself is to make money online. When I'm talking about making money online, I mean to make money with your social media platforms and at the same time to make money with apps, with platforms. Now, come to think about it. You are always online 24/7. No, that's a pure joke. It's not 24/7. Okay, we can say out of 24 hours, you're online for 20 hours. Imagine that. Either you're in other people's lives, you're scrolling, you're doing something in one way or the other. You're having fun or you're watching a movie. But if I told you that out of those hours, you're supposed to give to yourself and start making money. When I'm talking about making money, I mean having passive income. I don't mean you to come and say, oh, you guys, I slept hungry, can you dash me some $20? No, I don't mean that. I mean you to put something or your presence online. As you sleep, as you wake up, you find there is $1, talk less of cents on your account. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you're watching us from, irrespective of whichever country you are, apart from very few countries like 2 or 3 that you might find yourself not having access or not permitted to make money online. Most of the countries you can make money online. Today's video, I'm going to be precise, you guys. It's just educational purposes. I'm using my experience, I'm using my tips that I've used to bring to your table that you can borrow a leaf, you can go and research and come back here, do something. If it works out for you, it's okay. But why not working out for you? If it has worked out for more than 2%, people are there depending on it. Why not you? Why? We are not talking about gambling. No, this is not a scam. This, we are not talking about gambling. We're not talking about put this and get this. We are talking about legit way of earning money with your smartphone. Now, before I dive into how I've been making money with my smartphone for more than 5 years, let me first appreciate individuals who are always on our social media platforms. They're always on Facebook, they're always on TikTok, on YouTube, everywhere, on Instagram. You guys, I love you so much. Our top engagers, you are awesome. One of the things that can push your CTR or your earning rate or your CPM and RPM is audience. The audience, the more the audience clicks, shares, engages, comments, the more your videos will be recognized. Let's dive in and see how I've been making money with my smartphone. It has been simple. There's no zal, there's no die that put this and you get this. No. What I do, my lifestyle, my thoughts, what I love, what I advocate for, I put it on online, and online gives me money. So the first one, I've been using YouTube. YouTube, I can give it 100% because this is like a mother way, the way I've been earning, and I completely earn from AdSense. When I'm talking about AdSense, there are very many ways of earning money on social media, but now I'm just highlighting for you how I've been earning on social media. Very simple, easiest way. You know, recently one of my workmen said, so every time you're thinking about what to post, what? No, it's not like that. Because the content is within us, around us, money is within us, around us, and just before us, as you see me, even the look of my face can give you money. You can talk about it, you can write about it. So YouTube has been giving me 100% AdSense. Membership is a bit small because my audience is not so big. So I've been getting AdSense from YouTube. Then the second one is Facebook. I've been earning from Facebook, and Facebook I earn from different ways. Facebook I've earned, or I'm earning from content monetization. Every content I put, I get money. How is it calculated? It is calculated using the earning rate. When my earning rate is high, of course my money will be high, and when my earning rate is low, even if you get thousands or millions, my earning will be low. So what I always do, I always make sure to go and check what I can do better, like giving original content, being authentic, optimizing. This is what I've been doing. That is the second way. Then the third way of how I've been earning is apps. There are platforms that I do. When you go there, you put write-ups. Platforms you go, you put your blogs. Platforms you do, you put your videos. I get some cents of money, some dollars of money. Platforms like paid work, platforms like Rambo, platform like Canva, I've been earning from them. So if you're out there and you're like, how can I earn? Maybe if I give you a pro tip of what I do exactly, if I tell you I've been earning here and here, what I do, I only do videos, I do reels, I do write-ups, I do blogs, I do photos. One video, I can get a reel, I can get a video, I can get a text, I can get a blog, all this one from one video. Like this video, you're going to find it on YouTube, you're going to find it on Facebook, on TikTok, and you are going to find it on blogs, and you'll find it on Rumble. So it's easier. You don't need to bring heaven on earth. You don't need to go and get a loan for you to start. What you need to do, you need to be consistent, you need to be mindful, you need to love what you do, and you need to love what you are getting. Without forgetting, you need to be focused. So thank you very much. As I told, it is short and precise. This is the simplest way of earning money with your smartphone. See in another video. Don't forget to like this video, forward it to your friend. Most people ask themselves when we tell them, how do you earn? They feel earning money, you have to be having maybe heavy gadgets. No, it's just simple. With time, you can get heavy gadgets.